We recognize that atoms of different elements have different properties. And one of the things we're going to do to look at those properties here is to take what's called a flame test. And what we have in each of these four dishes is a different metal salt. So the nonmetal that is with each of the metals here is chloride. So that is the same across all of these. And so the only thing we change across these four is the metal ion involved in the salt. The first one here we have potassium. The second one here we have sodium. In the third one here we have lithium. And in the fourth one here we have strontium. And in with those salts I have a little bit of methanol. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to light the methanol and then take some observations of what's occurring as the methanol burns down to the salt. The wonderful difference in the colors of these atoms is what gives fireworks their distinctive beauty. Now, what causes that in these particular atoms? As you recall from the atomic structure unit, we looked at the different patterns of electron configurations that occur for the different atoms of different elements because of the nature of those patterns and the attraction to the nucleus. And we talked about the energy regions of those differences having distinct characteristics. And we also learned that light has distinct patterns and waves and energy to it that is consistent with the different colors. And we can see this more keenly by looking at these elements and their flames, I should say, through a spectroscope where we can keenly see the distinct lines and measure those differences in among the particular elements.